is Chris Welker. From all of us at MSP Diesel Solutions, I want to invite and tell you about the upcoming Diesel Forum on May 18th through the 20th. If you have had enough of Zoom calls and want to in person, visit and meet new peers in the same diesel engine supply and repair industry, RSVP for the Diesel Forum today. We're going to meet all those professional checklists and more while taking a close look at the road ahead for our field of work. Forum speakers will include representatives from Bosch, Delphi, Mala, and many more. There's complimentary resort stay for you at the Gold Strike Casino, complimentary attendance, complimentary meals, prize drawings, and much more. Only for a limited time though. You will greatly enjoy this event or regret missing it. RSVP by calling 901-396-0710 or email me at cwelker@mspdieselsolutions.com. We look forward to visiting with you face to face at May's Diesel Forum.